Hi, Miles Moxley here at Devil Ray Handlebars, and I've been promising y'all that I would figure out the trunk issue in the front for my handlebars that I made. Well, here it comes. I got you. Alright, now as you can see, I have taken the front trunk lid off, and to do so all you have to do is lift up the top here. And once you fold it out, you'll see there's these two screws right here. You take those off. And when you take it off, take the lid off. And once you take that lid off of there, you will put those back. And then all you have to do is place your hood back on. Just like that, and you slide it up and it locks in and you're good to go. Then you just unattach it and slide it back off, and bam, you're done, man. That way you have all the trunk access you need. You can slide it back in. It'll be safe, it won't go anywhere. Lock it back in, lock your thing, and you're done, man. You're done. Easy peasy. Well, there you have it. And I hope that helps. Thank you so much, and thank you for coming to Devil Ray Handlebars.